The SL300 is the professional-grade 3D print pen. It supports 2 filaments, and you can customize the drawing speed and temperature. The perfect gift for yourself, your friends, or families. Specification: power input, 100-240 V2, a power output, DC 5 volts per 2A10. Compatible filaments: 1. 75 mm PLA ABS. Recommended heat for filaments: ABS 180-210, PLA 160-180. Package includes 1 3D pen, 1 AC/DC adapter, 1 pen holder, 1 user manual, 2 1 75 mm filament. Random colors. Safety and warning information: 1. Children should use it with adult supervision. 2. The 3D pen nozzle is hot while working. No touch to avoid burning.